Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure you're signed in and have a charged phone. Background downloads work best on Wi-Fi. Open Google Maps, search the neighborhood or trail you'll walk, then zoom to include everything you need. Once the map view shows the full area, tap your profile icon, choose Offline Maps, then select your own map and tap Download. You're saving a snapshot of map tiles and walking paths. This lets the app reference routes without cellular data while you walk. Once the offline map is downloaded, configure auto updates so the map stays current, otherwise set a reminder before trips. Make sure location services are on and set to high accuracy so GPS locks quickly without mobile data. Before turning off data or entering airplane mode, open walking directions to your destination while still online. This primes the route and caches step-by-step guidance. Doing that ensures the walking path, turn prompts, and distances are available locally and will work during your walk. Now use Maps offline. Start walking with the app open and watch the blue dot. It uses GPS to track you without data. If turn prompts stop or the route is missing, first toggle location off and on to force a GPS refresh, then reconnect briefly to reprime directions or re-download the offline area. Make sure battery saver is off because it can slow GPS. If you expect a long outing, bring a charger. Otherwise, the offline maps and cache directions will guide you reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.